You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name in French, a name of French origin, and that explains why it's going to be pronounced in English as well. So the French pronunciation is Dionne, derived from the word divine in French. Dionne. Dionne is how it's said in France. In English, therefore, the pronunciation is similar. Dionne, not Dionne. Dionne from French. Dionne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.